Good morning. So for today's video, I'd like to feature this 2015 Lexus ES350. Yan. Itong coaching to, love ko rin to. This car is my wife's car sa kanila, sa family nila. So they got it as brand new back in 2015. Actually to, kotse ng dad niya to. So sabi ng dad niya, he wanted a car that time. So ito yung napili niya. Yan. So a quick look around of the car. Ito ang gustong-gusto ko dito is the front. Yan. So yung front part ng car, no, for me sobrang pogi. So kung titingnan mo yung itsura niya, para siyang naka-suit, no. So this car is meant for business use, no, for corporate use. Kung nagtatrabaho ka, if you have a business, yan, ito, bagay sa itong coaching to. Just for me. So parang ang dating niya sa akin, pag negosyante. Yan, no? So this is the rear view of the car. Guwapo. What I like about the rear view is yung meron siyang twin pipes, dual exhaust, which makes the car look sporty. Na parang sinasabi niya, hindi maliit ng engine niya, kundi malaki. So it has the ES350, so meaning 3.5 liter. So yan. Actually, simple lang yung sasakyan from the outside. If you will see, medyo mukhang Altis nga eh. But, medyo mahaba siya. So, executive sedan. Then, yung mugs is stock. Is R17. Kung di ako nagkakamali. Yeah, tama. R17. So, that's the outside. The best part for me again is this front view. Yan. Check mo. Ang tapang ng mukha. And very business. Parang seryoso yung kotse. But at the same time, simple siya, no? So, let's check the engine. So, this is the engine, V6, 24 valve, DOC. So, double overhead cam yan. So, ES350 again, so meaning 3.5 liter engine. So, hindi maliit na engine, kundi it's a pretty big engine. So, kung kinikilangan mo ng extra power, just step on the gas and the car will give it to you. Malakas yan. So anyway, it has about, I think, almost 270 horsepower. So, busog ka na dyan, no? So that's the engine. Meron na mga plastic cover ngayon. Unlike during back in the day, exposed yung engine. So for me, mas maganda lang yung dati. Kasi ngayon, may mga plastic cover na, like this one. So the engine is busog na busog, again double overhead cam, kaya malakas din sa ratratan sa highway. Alright, no? So again, brand new nila nakuha yung kotse back in 2015. So sila yung first owner ng kotseng to. And minsan-minsan, nadadrive ko naman yan. Pagkasama ko si Mrs., hinihiram namin. And the ride is really something comfortable. So sobrang tahimik sa loob niyan. Again, there is power. Pag kailangan mo, sobrang simple. So, silipin natin yung loob, no? So, ito yung loob niya. Sa likod. Yan. So, this is the inside of the car. Ayan. Kung titingnan nyo, very, very spacious sa loob. So again, it's an executive car. Ginawa, I think, for the businessman. Yan, kung may business ka, may trabaho ka, kung executive ka, kung boss ka, this is the car for you. So ang kalaban nata nito, or ang class nito, the ES line. Sa Benz, I think it's the E-Class. Sa BMW, I think it's the 5 Series, no? So sa Audi, probably it's the 6 Series, no? So yan, executive. Ayan, no? Ganda ng leather, simple. Of course, there's an aircon vent. Then maganda ang sound system nito, malakas. There's the screen shade, sunshade if you want, manual. Yan. So again, very spacious from the inside. And sa harap, yan. Kung titingnan nyo, very simple sa loob. That's what I like about this car, no? Executive siya, very classy. But then kung titignan mo, wala masyadong mga kung ano-anong mga nakikita mo. Simple lang. So yung aircon vents, napakaganda. I like the style of the aircon vents. Hindi siya brittle, so solid na solid siya. And I love the clock. This clock, the Lexus clock, napakabagay sa sasakyan, so it makes it more class, no? Very classy. Tapos malaki yung screen niya, the infotainment, yan, malakas yan. Then yung controller, yung infotainment dito, yan. Yan yung control niya. So there's eco, normal, and sport. So kung gusto mo ng extra power, just press on the sport and everything will turn red, no? Tapos meron siyang wood accents or plastic ata yan, I'm not sure, but parang wood. Ganda. So again, very elegant. That's why I love this car. As I've said, mahilig ako sa mga sedan, sa mga 4-door cars. Tapos ito, luxury line. Ganda. Very simple. Tapos meron siya sunroof and moonroof. Yan. Alright, no? So for today kasi, we will be going to Laguna, somewhere in Cabuyao, around 50 kilometers away from Libis. Si baby kasi matagal na nagayaya sa fun farm. Last week pa kinukulit kami. So, we've been there 3 times na. So ngayon, Wednesday, it's a holiday. So it's a perfect time to go to Laguna, short trip, para si baby mag-enjoy naman. And we will be bringing the Lexus. I'll bring you along. Tingnan natin yung gas consumption niya mamaya. Then yung rides out sa biyahe. So, para ma-enjoy nyo rin yung kotse. Alright? So, ligo lang. Alright. So, nakaligo na. Let's head over to Laguna. Then, gwapong gwapo. And I love the color, black. Although, mahirap nga lang alagaan. So, here is the key. Ang ayos dito, kahit even though you don't press the lock, mag-open mag-isa yan. Ayan, see? Alright, first start. Init. So, key holder. Unfortunately, push start button. I'm not a fan of push start button. So, yeah. Alright. So, here is starting. Ganda, no? May welcoming ng Lexus. So, anyway, here is the gauge cluster. Nothing fancy. Nothing happening really here. Actually, medyo boring sa akin yung itsura ng cluster gauge niya. But at least needles pa. So, hindi digital, hindi electronic, no? So, we have full tank. I've reset the speedometer to 0. And I think the fun farm is about 40 kilometers away. Or 50, sorry. 50 kilometers away. So, it will take about an hour to go there. Ngayon, it's a holiday, so wala naman traffic. So, yeah, I'll bring you along with me. So, here is the infotainment. Maganda infotainment niya. Yan. Malaki ang screen. Then, of course, there's the Bluetooth. Tapos, actually yan, very simple lang dito. Nothing happening so much actually. Tapos, everything is electronic. The seat is electronic. You have 3 memories here. So, kung tatlo kayo gumagamit, 3 memories for you. This is very convenient. Actually, dahil one click, it will adjust to your specifications. Then, meron din siyang rear view shade. Ito, one press. Yan. Yun. So, yan. Gustong gusto ko rin yan. For some reason, I don't know why. So, see you later. So, here is the driver's view. Yan. Maluwag. Anika is here. Yaya. Wala si Mrs. Kasi she had to go to a trip somewhere, no? In China.
300 meters, turn right
so,
onto Flamingo Street.
biyahe 1 hour, 50 kilometers away from Libis. So, yan. Ito ulit ang driver's view niya. Maluwag. Ang gusto ko sa mga executive class na sasakyan, maluwag sa loob.
In 100 meters, turn right
Yan.
toward
So, medyo
Bluebird
mababa ka
Street.
lang. On the ground, sitting inside, yun, medyo mababa lang siya. That's one downside lang. At madalas sumayad.
Turn
So,
right
yung
toward
kotse
Bluebird
mababa.
Street, then
So, kung
turn
may
right
hump,
onto
yan,
Bluebird Street.
dahan-dahan. Kasi there's a chance na sasayad kayo, lalo na kung may sakay sa likod. Alright? Alright, so See you. Stop over lang sa Turks in White Plains. To flagship store nila. This is my favorite Turks place. My go-to place when I need something quick to eat. And yung iced coffee nila dyan, I enjoy. So, because we will be needing food dun sa venue because it's a picnic ground. Yan. Thank you. Got my goodies at sa car. So dito pag Sunday, marami ring tumatambay na mga supercars, Ferrari, Porsche, etc. Because I think the owner is also a car enthusiast. Yeah. Turks. Alright. So one good thing, marami siyang cup holders, which is again very important for me kasi I do have my iced coffee from time to time. Alright, see you in EDSA. In Corinthians. So, sport tayo. Yan. Turned red. Yan. Woo! Powerful.
In
No?
600 meters,
So kung kailangan mo
turn
ng
right
extra
onto
power,
Epifanio
just
de Los
press on the
Santos
sport
Avenue, Mahalaca Highway.
and the car will give it to you. Yan. Kaya masaya rin siya i-drive. Alright, so we are in EDSA. Back to normal mode. Blue na siya ulit. Yan. So
Turn
here in
right onto
EDSA,
Epifanio de Los Santos
so you can
Avenue,
see
Mahalaca Highway.
the car only has 15,000 kilometers on the clock. So hindi siya gamit talaga. So yung binili ng daddy ni Mrs. to, parang ginamit lang niya a few times, tapos yun, wala na. It's sat in
Continue
the
on
garage
Epifanio
already.
de Los
So if
Santos
ginagamit
Avenue for
man,
1 kilometer.
malapitan lang, sa village lang, no? So that's why the odometer is very low for a 2015 model, no? So yan, here we are in EDSA. Very nice, sarap i-drive. Automatic transmission with the manual mode. If you're doing hill climb or Baguio, yan, ito. So, nadala ko na pala ito sa La Union and Baguio. So, of course, sarap ng biyahe, malakas, mabilis. Kayang-kaya, walang problema. So, it has the 6-speed transmission. Kaya okay siya pang highway. Tipid naman sa gas pag highway siya, no? So,
In 500 meters,
maganda rin
turn
dito,
left
I
toward
don't know, for some
EDSA
reason,
SSBC Road.
when you're driving the car, tas minsan pag dinadala ko ng office, yung guard nga saludo agad sa'yo bigla, no? Kasi they know it's a Lexus. So here in the Philippines, ganun siya. So pag naka Lexus, medyo mas respetuhin ka ng tao. One of the perks when you're driving this car.
Turn left toward EDSA SSBC Road, then
So,
turn left onto
again,
EDSA
here in
SSBC
EDSA.
Road.
We are 50 minutes away from the venue. Actually, maganda rin talaga dun sa Cabuyao, Laguna, in the fun farm. It's a picnic ground. Tapos, as the name suggests, farm. So, merong mga farm animals. So, your kids can enjoy
Turn left
the
onto
animals.
EDSA SSBC
And
Road,
you can
then
do
take the ramp to Asian
the animal
Highway
feeding,
26.
no? Actually, great venue rin yun for to do fun runs kasi it has ample parking space, malapit. You get to use SLEX, so highway, major highway, so masarap mag-run. Tapos sama mo yung family mo, tambay kayo dun after, then
Take the ramp to
balikan,
Asian
malapit lang
Highway
kasi, like now.
26, then merge onto
Kasi itong si
Epifanio de Los
Anika,
Santos
last week pa
Avenue.
nagayaya because she loves you love the white horse, no? White horse and zip line. Oh, yan. So she wants to do it again. So, kaya ngayon, holiday naman, May 1, it's perfect time to go there. And I wanted to bring this car so to share with you guys. Kasi I really like this car. Kasi nga, what it offers, talagang complete package siya. When they bought this car, back in 2015, I think the price was about 3.7, no, or 8, not so sure. But now, second hand, makakabili ka na ng 1 million, swerte kung may 900. Tapos, yung iba, mababa pa mga mileage. So, mura na siya, affordable na siya ngayon. So, if you're looking for an executive car, 4-door car, executive class, this might be a very good option. Kasi sobrang tibay, sobrang elegant, especially with this clock again. I'm loving the clock, loving the aircon. There's the infotainment. Hindi naman ganun kalakas sa gas. Full tank pa rin. So, yeah, it does the job. Alright, see you in SLEX. Here in SLEX, ka nasa likod. So, ano na ba? 30 minutes away. 29 kilometers away. So far, naka 27 kilometers na tayo. And if you look at the gas gauge, halos hindi pa nababawasan. Well, kasi full tank. Anyway, yan, SLEX. It's a perfect day to drive. Holiday, again, Wednesday. So, there's not much car around. Yan, sobrang sarap mag-drive. Pag holiday, sarap mag out of town. Again, itong Lexus na to, the ES350, I've driven this car in La Union and in Baguio, and masarap sa highway kasi with the 3.5 liter engine V6, 24 valves, double overhead cam. So sa rekta, walang problema. Right now, we are just cruising 80 kilometers, mabagal. But last time yung nagbagyo ako, tulog lahat sila sa likod dito. I was doing 180, no? Kayang-kaya ng sasakyan. Kaya masarap sa highway. So if you're going sa out of town, tapos kailangan nyo balikan lang, wala ka naman dalang masyadong luggage, this car is perfect. Very comfortable. Yan, no? Yan, no? Ito gusto ko dito, maluwag. So hindi mo you won't be stressed about the space. Tapos again, the ride is very comfortable, it's very quiet. Kasi nga it's Lexus, di ba? So maganda pa rito if you're looking for a medyo luxury line ng sedan. Lexus is not as complicated as a BMW or as a Mercedes-Benz or as an Audi, di ba? Mas simple to, mas less computer. So it's much more reliable. So this brand, kaya siya sumikat din dito sa Pilipinas. So buti na lang may kasa na, may local kasa na, Lexus Manila. So ever since na nagkakasa, I've seen so many Lexus already in the road, no? So people do avail Lexus. Tsaka mas affordable ata ang Lexus kaysa dun sa Benz tsaka sa BMW, or almost the same. But it's much more reliable coming from our experience. So anyway, we are about 30 minutes away from the venue. Ayan, nasa SLEX tayo ngayon. Beautiful day to drive, lamig ng aircon. I'll show you the place, Fun Farm. Favorite place ni Anika yun. Because again, she gets to feed the animals, she gets to ride the horse. Only horse ride na yun. There's a zip line also. So it's a perfect day to kill time, spend time with your kids. So ay nga, pwede rin siyang i-ride, i-fun ride, no? Sa when you have a barkada, sama niyo yung barkada niyo, fun ride kayo papunta ron, sama niyo yung family niyo. So that's it. Yeah, I'll see you later at the farm here in Santa Elena. So here is the place. Ganda ang daan, kaya pwede pang fun ride. Ito pala may residential din dun. Tapos they have a golf course here. Yan, I don't know if you can see. So if you're a golfer, uso naman ngayon, kasyang-kasya dito sa Lexus yung gamit nyo sa likod. Yung golf clubs, lagay nyo dyan, walang problema. So it's 50 kilometers away, walang nabawa sa gas. So again, huwag kayo matakot. V6, 24 valve, dock. Tipid naman yan, lalo na sa highway. So again, here is the facility, golf course. Papunta tayo doon sa sa Fun Farm. It's somewhere there. Yan, baby is excited. Last week pa niya inihirit to. So balikan lang kami. So for today, it's a 100 kilometer drive. That's enough to satisfy my driving needs, my driving appetite, right? So kaya masarap mag-drive dito. Dali niya yung mga project cars niya dito. Alright. So turning right, ganda ng daan. When going here pala Fun Farm, it's better to book online sa Klook. Get the tickets there kasi you need to register para dun sa guard at the entrance. automatic na. Andun na yung name nyo. So, papapasukin na lang kayo. Kasi this is a private facility. So, the ticket is about 600 peso per head. Yan. Below 2 years old ata free. I'm not sure. But that's the ticket rate. But the good thing about it, free use of everything. Only horseback, only zipline. Meron pang Carabao ride. Tapos picnic. Yeah, so whole day na yun. Zipline, yes. We will do zipline. So that's the rate of the farm. Again, very relaxing aura here, vibe. Kaya sarap mag-drive. Lexus doing really great. Mas maganda sana kung manual. But we are in an automatic car right now. So malaki yung facility. Again, golf course pa rin on our left side. And fun farm is over there. So pakita ko sa'yo when we get there. Yun, ito na. Yan yung fun farm. There's the zip line. I don't know if you can see yan, mga bata. Ay, walang tao. Buti. Oo, wala masyadong tao. Oh, excited na to. Ayan, oh. Yan. You're not scared? Ayan. Wow. So, looking for a parking space.
It's
Ayan na.
like animals.
There's the farm and your entrance.
At the farm.
Yeah, the fun farm.
Why?
We have ample parking space here.
Why is
So, don't worry about that. Kaya again, pwede nga to sa fun ride. Fun run, sorry. So, let's look for a good parking space with shade. Tingnan natin dun. Gusto ko may shade para hindi mainit mamaya. So, I'm wearing the Larry Chen hat, that iconic hat, kasi you will need it here. So, tingnan nyo, mataas ang araw at mainit dyan, for sure. So, wear proper clothes, comfortable clothes, shorts, rubber shoes, kasi it's open space. No? Alright, so park already. Yan, ayos na kami ng gamit dahil medyo maraming dala. Again, picnic setup yan. So, marami kang dalang pagkain, clothes. So, yan. Dito kami nag-park under a shady tree. There's the Lexus. Wala naman nabawas sa gas. 50 km in. Right? Poging-pogi. So, pwedeng pang business. Pwede pang pasok sa office. Pwede pang outing. Oh, may yung get up ni baby. Oh. Right? Get your things. Alright? So, pasok na kami sa loob and I'll show you the facility. Here is the cargo space sa likod. Daming dala. So, let's go. Oy, walk ka. Walking to the farm. Ano ba agenda for the day? Wala naman. Siguro animal feeding. Then, the horseback is a must. And yung request niya in the zipline. So, only yan. So, it's about 11 o'clock in the morning. So, after na siguro, uwi na kami ng Manila. No? So, very quick. Yan, again, the Lexus is perfect for today's agenda. Wala masyadong tao pa. Which is great. Ibig sabihin, walang pila. Kasi kung maraming tao, maraming pila dyan. Alright? Yan, oh, mag-isa na siya. Galing ah. Tapang mo ah. Ha? Ano, happy ka? Ito kuya, salamat ah. Oh. Sige, ikot ka lang dyan. Walang pila. Alright, actually, sobrang ganda ng place dahil yan, pag nagaya anak nyo for an activity, horseback, animals, play around, may mga playground dyan. Yan, yung mga playground. Sakto na kasi malapit 50 kilometers away, Kabuya exit. And kaysa magtagaytay ka, ang Tagaytay ngayon, sobrang hirap na puntahan, di ba? Actually, you need to stay over. Sleep over na yung pagtagaytay dahil sa traffic. Everyone's there. Lahat ng tao nandun, napakagulo, napaka-traffic. But then ito, wala. So, mabilis, kaya ng balikan. Alright? Ay, tapos nandito pa pala yung mga friends namin from college. Sila Miko, Michelle. Small world kasi taga dito yan. No? So, yun. Kaya sakto for tambay. Sakto for fun run with your family. Siguro next time, fun run kami ni Charlie dito. Ayan. Diyan yung friends niya. Nagkataon. Sila Michelle. Hello. Ayan. Oh, ayan daw. Sila Michelle. Sakto. Oh, tapang mo ah. Oh, ayan na.
Okay, Anika.
Wow. Alright. Ayan na. Whee! Isigaw po eh.
Oo nga eh.
Unload, sir.
Unload. Oh. Pwede pala driving dito. Unloading yung gamit. Yan. So, it's my turn with Anika. Dahil gusto niya. Kasama ako. Pagbigyan na lang natin. Alright?
Don't move. Sir, yung isang kamay niyo po dito, sir. Tapos, sir, step down po.
Yeah.
Sir, pag dating niyo mo dun sa may sunset, itataas niyo mo yung dalawang paa niyo.
Okay.
Kasi po, nasahid
Tatayad, sige.
po yung dalawang paa niyo.
Sige.
Okay, sir. Sit down, sir. Wait lang po. Ate, sit down. Okay. Ready. Dito lang. And then, put your hands in the air. Like a plane.
Yan, sige.
Let's
Takot?
Kahit one hands na.
One hand.
One hand.
Ayaw.
Okay, ready? And go, sir.
Woo! Bye-bye. Whoop. Oh, isa pa. Woo! Actually ako, first time. First time ko mag-zipline dito. Kulit na yan ko eh. Woo! One more! Oh. Woo! Oh!
Kakaganyan din tayo ng
So, ganito yung style. Just finish zipline. So, lunch na.
Dito ka, anak ko, dito ka.
Picnic style. So, bring your own food. Then, pick a spot. Marami dyan.
You sit down.
Marami pa dun. And yan. Have lunch. So, ulam. Hotdog lang. Luncheon meat. Rice. Yan. Tapos bumili ako kanina. Kasi si baby, syempre, pagkaing bata. Right. Animal feeding time with the rabbits. Yan. So we got the carrots. And so Anika is feeding all the rabbits. Fish feeding. Ayan. Oh. Oh, yan. Bigay mo, bigay. Nice. Galing ah. Alright. So, it's past 2. So, we're about to leave the fun farm. I'm beat. Pagod na ako. It's really, really hot. So, balik na kami sa Manila. So, it's another hour to get there. So, total trip for this, for today, 100 kilometers with this 2015 ES350 Lexus. So, I really love this car. It's a fun car. Again, why I like it so much? Because of how it looks. Sexy. Kung titignan nyo sa harap, para siyang naka-business suit. Diba? Tapos may necktie sa harap. Yan ang itsura. And at the same time, if you want to be a bit more sporty, pwede. That's why she has the 2 exhaust tips, claiming that it has a big engine, the 3.5 V6 24 valve DOC. So pag na-board ka, tapos gusto mo humataw, kayang-kaya nito, no? So again, I really love this car. Actually, hinihingi ko nga kila misis para kami na ni misis mag-alaga nito kasi hindi naman ginagamit sa bahay. So sayang naman, para if this was my car, alagaan ko talaga to with PMS, make it shiny again because it could use a little bit of wax. Actually, ipapaschedule ko siya for a full wax and detail sa bahay para naman bumalik yung shine niya. Yeah? Tapos super love to drive this car, especially when pag ginagamit ko siya sa work, sa office, Iba talaga ang dating, very comfortable, very quiet. And yeah, yun. Tapos maganda sound system, malamig aircon, you know, the works. So if you're looking for a car na medyo executive, na sedan, na medyo gusto mo to upgrade a bit, gusto mo a bit luxurious, this might be a good option for you kesa na European, because this is more simple and more reliable. Less computers compared to a European car, no? Kasi basically it's a Toyota. So again, mura na lang ngayon to. Mga 1 million, 1.1, swerte kung may 900, makakabili ka na nito. Compared back in its time when it was brand new, 3.7, 3.6, somewhere like that. So mura na siya ngayon. So you can afford one already, no? Instead of buying an Altis, a brand new Altis, maybe you can get this one. Dahil pwede naman siyang daily, hindi naman ganun kalakas yung gas niya kung nakita nyo. Parang wala pang nabawas nga kanina. Kung makikita nyo, when you got here, the needle didn't actually move, just moved a bit. So it's very easy to fix, lots of parts available, may kasa, maraming aftermarket dyan. So no problem with maintenance, no? The only drawback that I don't like, again, the sitting position inside is medyo low to the ground. Medyo if there's a hump, mag-iingat ka ng konti because sumasayad siya madalas, especially when you are full inside. And infotainment, when you're on Bluetooth with your radio, with your cellphone, hindi nagdi-display yung cellphone mo dun sa Bluetooth. It's a bit laggy. But other than that, okay naman. Very responsive naman yung infotainment niya. So that's it. I love the power. I love the look. I love the interior. So I'll end the vlog here. Hope you enjoyed the video. And please help my channel out by subscribing and liking this video. Thank you.
Rack it up, I got a better to bank than millions.